Hey guys, in this video we're going to cover how to change weapon offsets to achieve an effect kind of like this, where when the dart monkey throws his dart, it's thrown from behind him. Knowing how to use this is going to be really effective when you're trying to properly animate or position your weapon mods so they look like they're supposed to. Using this mod as an example, you can see what it would look like if you did it wrong, so knowing how to use it could be good. Anyways, let's get into it. So I've got JPEGs open, and we're in the Tower Factory file, which is in the Towers folder, which is in the Scripts folder. And if you don't know that, you should go back and watch episode 1. So let's scroll down until we see the Dart Monkey, which is right here. So we're looking for the tower definition for the Dart Monkey. Now I'm going to scroll down to the right of the line until we see this weapon offsets line right here. So when we give our tower a weapon, it's going to spawn in the middle of our monkey, or our tower, which is going to be 0, 0. Now, for something like a wizard monkey who's trying to launch his Tempest Tornado, that's cool. It doesn't matter really where it launches from. But with a dart monkey, it's going to look awfully weird if a dart just starts shooting out of his chest. So that's the need for a weapon offset. Now, the dart monkey's natural weapon offset is going to be 6,9. What does that mean? This first number right here, let's consider X. If it's positive, that's in front of the 0 coordinate, or the center of the dart monkey, center X. So that means it was 6 units in front of the dart monkey. If it was negative, it would be 6 units behind the dart monkey, or 6 units behind the center. The little clip at the beginning of this video had this number as a negative. This second coordinate is the Y coordinate, or we can consider it the Y coordinate, which should be to the left and to the right of the dart monkey. If it's positive, it's going to be to the right. If it's negative, it's going to be to the left. You can make these numbers as high as you want to the point that the weapon doesn't even register on the screen, but there's no use for that, so we're not going to be doing that. I just want to point it out. I don't know if this helps, but here's kind of a visual representation that I made in Paint. This is the exact same line with a different number in the x-coordinate, but still, you can see that the x-coordinate is in control of what's in front of the tower and behind the tower. The y-coordinate is to the right and to the left. You guys get the idea. Let's make the mod. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this 9 the way it is because it really doesn't matter if we change it. So we're going to get the P code up and we're going to change the 6. So we're going to click on 6. Click Edit P code, and we're going to change it from 6 to -100. And that means it's going to be 100 units behind the center X coordinate, or 100 units behind the dart monkey's center. So we're going to save it once more, and let's see what this is like in game. Alright, so we're in game, and I've gone ahead and placed down a dart monkey, so I'm going to click play, fast forward a little bit. And you can see that the dart is starting behind the dart monkey, pretty far actually. Remember that it is not -100 from where it normally is, it's -100 from the center of our tower. So depending on your monkey, you're going to have to tweak the settings to look different. Also, using the triple darts upgrade as an example, when we give ourselves the triple darts upgrade, it no longer spawns the darts behind our tower. Like I've said in a previous video, that's because the triple darts monkey is considered a different tower entirely. When you buy the triple darts upgrade, it assigns a different tower definition to our dart monkey. The original dart monkey has a weapon offset with a -100x, but the triple darts dart monkey has normal weapon offset, which was 6,9. So that's why if in your mods you buy an upgrade and it seems like it's broken, it's not. You're dealing with a different tower at this point. So just go back and change the tower that corresponds with the upgrade. Also, before we finish the video, I want to cover an interesting thing that happens. If we were to change this X coordinate from -100 to, let's say, +100, save it, and let's see what happens in game, you'll see something interesting. Watch which direction the dart is facing. If you notice, the dart has rotated. So it's no longer facing away from the dart monkey, it's facing towards the balloon. The lesson here being the dart is going to automatically rotate to be facing the balloon that it's targeting. That was just a quick side note I wanted to point out. Anyways, guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoy it. It was quick, but I wanted to kind of explain what that was because looking at the code and really not knowing what anything is can be confusing and overwhelming. So I'm hoping we can address all these unknown things and eventually come to understand how to mod the game really well. Anyways, see you guys next time.